Singing bowls and tuning forks are used to generate natural vibrations in the human body. The therapist started to offer healing sessions using sound 4 years ago. Madalena says sound therapy is a healing method that has been used for hundreds of years.
Every organ in our body actually is producing a frequency itself. If the frequency itself is all balanced, then your body is healthy. When you are ill, maybe some part of your organs is producing a wrong frequency. So we will project a harmonic sound in that particular area, and then your body will react to that sound, and then it will come back to balance.
She charges $680 per hour for a personal session and $380 for a group session. I joined a group session with Madalena. I dozed off for 30 minutes. It may have been from the sound or just the fact I was lying down, but I could hear snoring nearby. Madalena says the number of her clients rose 200% since she first offered the sessions. These two women have seen her for more than 1 year.
I was very stressed, but after that I was sort of very relieved and balanced.
The different sound helps you to not concentrate so much and just let go. But it's like when you're really tired and you slip into sleep.
In a global survey released last year, a German market research firm shows 63% of Hong Kongers polled say they have various levels of stress. Some of them are willing to pay big bucks to distress. This businesswoman runs a clinic that offers different kinds of alternative therapy to help clients with stress management.
I'm always a strong believer that our body have its natural healing capability. And the conventional way of medicine are quite intrusive.
Apart from acupuncture and cupping, Reiki is another therapy that's getting popular in Judy's clinic. This French therapist had been practicing in Europe for 12 years before moving to Hong Kong.
All life is energy. Any element is energy. Everybody is energy. Any plant is energy. While meditating, focusing, and playing the role of an energy conduit for others, we then transmit energy.
During each $1,200 session, she puts her hands on a patient's body to find what she calls blockages in their chakras, or energy points. Pain management specialist Dr. Stanley Wong says there are not enough studies that prove these two kinds of therapies really work.
Currently, the evidence for most of these treatments is very limited. So a lot of them show that there may be a beneficial effect, but even in these studies, the evidence is not strong. A lot of the all of the studies are of low quality evidence, and also very often the effect size is not that large. So obviously more high quality research studies are needed for these studies to really show if they're beneficial or not. So they may be no better than a placebo effect.
Psychologist Zenonia Chu echoes Stanley's skepticism.
My patients or some other psychologist patient, they have been to alternative therapies, and then they found it may not have a long-lasting effectiveness to their problems. Insomnia, anxiety, and also stress, and also body pain, right? For all of these disorders, there are also some guidelines from the international standards. We cannot find these effective therapeutic approaches as suggested by the guidelines we are using.
Hypnotherapy is one of the alternative treatments that a few psychologists do use in their daily practice.
They will use it as an adjunct therapy. they use it as a mean or as one of the skills to be integrated into the main or major therapeutic approach.
Just relax.
Aldo is a certified licensed hypnotherapist working at Judy's clinic. Most of his patients suffer from insomnia and stress. He says the sessions help patients to relax on a subconscious level.
Hypnotherapy is actually helping you to connect back with your true identity of who you are and bringing you into alignment with your inner power potential.
The fee for 1 hour session is $1,500. Aurelia and Madalena defend their practices because they can be used to support conventional Western treatments. They add, in the end, patients say they feel better.